Hello friends, welcome to our channel Learn with Kids. Today's topic is birds. 5 facts on birds. Fact number 1. Flamingos' feathers are pink in color because of their diet. Fact number 2. Kakapoos are the only parrots which cannot fly. Fact number 3. Kiwi is the only bird in the world with nostrils at the end of its beak. Fact number 4. Red-tailed hawk is known for its amazing eyesight. Fact number 5. Robin's eggs are blue in color. If you like this video, like, share and subscribe. Let us see you tomorrow. Thank you. Have a nice day.